judge not that ye be not judged. For with what judgment ye judge, ye shall be judged. And with what measures ye mete, it shall be measured to you again. Hello and welcome to this short unboxing video of the Flesh Eater Court's Grand Justice Gormayne. Now, I really love the Flesh Eater Courts. I collect Fire Slayers myself, but the Flesh Eater Court certainly has a second place in my heart. Now, let's see what we got here. Here we go. Yes. Grand Justice Gormayne. This is how you build the model. Seems straightforward, and some rules as well. I'm not sure if these are updated to 4th edition. I'll guess probably not, but well, here they are. And we have a single sprue. And of course, a base. Now let me just show you this. In all its glory and details. And the other side. Well, that was pretty much it. I'm going to use this for some Soulbound, the role-playing game. For some nasty surprises for my players, but enough about that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.